Hi, this is Bill Stannard at Community Science from the St. Louis Science Center. We're taking a look at our CO2 laser. It's a 40-watt laser, and right now it's engraving some letters on a big sheet of birch plywood. It did the same thing when it made your pieces for your T-Rex that you're going to be putting together shortly. After it engraves the letters, we will be able to match up different pieces by matching up letter A with A on another piece and a B with a B on another piece. When it's finished engraving all of the letters on there, it'll start cutting out the pieces. Now, these are pieces of the T-Rex that in the real world would be pieces of bone. So right now it's cutting out the arm, one of the arms of the T-Rex. And it's doing this using a laser. Now you might wonder what a laser is. It's actually a word made up of a bunch of other words. It's an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Wow, that's a mouthful. Anyway, a laser is created in our machine when the electrons and the atoms in the CO2 gas absorb energy from an electrical current and become excited. The excited electrons emit photons, which are particles of light. So here's what makes these special. First, the photons are all at the same wavelength and are what we call coherent, meaning the crests and the troughs of those waves are all in lockstep. In contrast, ordinary visible light comprises multiple wavelengths and is not coherent. Secondly, the laser light is directional, very directional. Because it's coherent, it stays focused for vast distances, even to the moon and back. Third, this beam of photons or light is really hot enough to burn this birch plywood and the artist board that your T-Rexes are made of. As you can see right now, it's cutting out another one of the vertebra. And it'll keep cutting and cutting, and if you can guess right now, what is it cutting? Looks like another vertebra. And you can see the slots there that will fit together so that all of these pieces, sort of like a jigsaw puzzle, will fit together. And you'll notice now it's doing a very long piece. And my guess is this is probably going to be one of the legs of the T-Rex. And you can see the toes. It's coming down to do the toes right now. And going back towards the ankle, and now goes all the way up. There's the ankle bone, and it keeps going, and that looks like it's probably a knee, and it's going to go all the way back up, and inside of this leg is going to be engraved the letter N. You can see the N up there near the top. Well, thank you for watching, and let's have some fun now and put our T-Rex together.